Martin can mow the lawn area of a park in 4 hours using a riding mower. Bill can mow the same lawn using a push mower in 16 hours. How long will it take them to mow the lawn if they work together? Well, anytime you see anything using work, you should know this is one of the work problems. And I use this table to set it up. I like the table because it helps me organize it. And the rate is each of how long it's going to take them to do, and you always do 1 over the time it takes them, so 1/4 for Martin and 1/16 for Bill. Their time together is what we're looking for, so we're going to label that X. And the part of the job is always their rate times their time together. So in the case of Martin, X divided by 4, and Bill is X divided by 16. So to write the equation, the job parts must always equal the total job, or 1/4, over 6, plus X over 16 equals 1. And all your work problems should begin this way. This should be what your equation looks like. Now, to solve for this, to solve for X, we need to times by the product of the denominators. Now you can either use 4 times 16, or you can look and go, oh, 16 is just 4 times 4, so I can use just 16. So I'm going to do this times 16. If you use the large one, if you use 64, you'd still get the right answer. You just have to do a little extra math. So I'm going to times this by, so I have 16x divided by 4 plus equals 16. So then I get here 4x
plus x 16, so 5x equals 16. Divide both by 5, and I get 16 divided by 5, which is 3.2. But you don't want to leave this as simply 3.2. You want to give it in actual time. So I'm going to bring up my calculator here, and what I have 3 hours. I know this is going to be 3 hours. 0.2. Well, I take my 0.2, and I know it's part of an hour. So that means I can simply take, if the calculator will stay up, .2 times, how many minutes in an hour? 60, 12. So this is 3 hours, 12 minutes. Working together, they can mow this lawn area in 3 hours and 12 minutes. Anytime you see work, you're going to get this type of problem with this type of setup. I like the table, but you could also simply skip the table and get right to the equation. It's whatever works best for you.